In this video, you'll find the answers to the problems you had before. We're going to follow the same steps. We're going to factor the GCF first. We're going to get the product of AC in order to factor that out. Here's me trying to find the factors that will work. I found the product sum method of 4 and -6 works. And then I'm going to rewrite it in expanded form. Then I'm going to factor out the greatest common factor and regroup them. I'm going to use the same process for my next problem. The product of the first and last coefficient is a -24. Now I'm looking for factors that will be able to be used for the product sum method. I found 2 and 12 that will work. If -2 and 12 are added, you can get a +10. So now I'm going to split the term and write it in expanded form. I then went ahead and grouped them, and I factor out the greatest common factor, which is 3x and -2. And then I'm going to group them again. Same step for the last three. Name your variables A, B, and C. Get the product of A and C. And then find factors that will work for your product sum method. In this case, you're looking for a 1. So 6 and 7 will work if 7 is positive and 6 is negative. Then you're going to go ahead and split the term by writing it in expanded form and grouping them. And then you're going to factor out the GCF and group them again. Name your variables. Then I'm going to multiply A and C. Then I'm going to be looking for factors of that product, -72, that will work for my product sum method. They need to add up to -21. I found that 3 and 24 will work if the 24 is negative. Then I'm going to split the middle term and regroup them as two binomials. I'm going to factor out the GCF, 2x and 3, and I'm going to group them again. And that's my final answer. Same steps for the last problem. Name your variables, get the product of the first and last coefficient, find factors of that product that will work for your product sum method. You're looking for them to add up to 3. In this case, if the 6 is positive and the 3 is negative, you will get a 3. Go ahead and make your two binomials by splitting that middle term with 6 and -3. Factor out the GCF, -2x, -3, and group them again. Hope you got them right.